Merhaba dostlar. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is gonna be family. Horanta increment Tatar. So let's get started. Ana means mother. Anam, my mother. You see, you just added affix M. The same goes here. Baba means father. Babam, my father. You also added affix M. And you have three options to say grandmother. So, Hartana, Bita, Buykana. Hartana, Bita, Buykana. Usually in the books you would always see Hartana and Bita. Buykana is one of the dialects in Crimean Tatar. Usually in my family I would say Bita to my grandmother and Hartana to my grandmother. Then if you want to say my grandmother, you should also add just affix M, Hartanam. The same goes to grandfather. Harbabam, grandfather. Harbabam, my grandfather. Hart means old. And you already know that Baba means father and Ana means mother. So it means old father and old mother. Hart, old. And also here Buyukana. Buyuk means older. Ana means mother. Kind of older mother. Let's repeat one more time. Ana, Baba, Hartana, Bita, Buyukana, Harbaba. Tata, Abla, older sister. You could say or Tata or Abla. It doesn't really matter. Then if you want to say my older sister, you should also just add affix M. Tatam, Ablam. His Hardash, younger sister. And here if you want to say my younger sister, you should add affix im, Hardashim. You also added I because we don't have any vowel here. His Hardash, his Hardashim. Aha, Buyuk Aha, older brother. If you want to say my older brother, you should also add affix M. Aham, Buyuk, Aham. Buyuk means older. We already know from Buyukana. Kadya, Hardash, younger brother. You could say Kadya or just Hardash, younger brother. Also, if you want to say my younger brother, you should just add affix Im, Hardashim. Aha, Hardash, brothers. Biz, Aha, Hardash. We are brothers. Let's repeat one more time. Tata, Abla. His, Hardash. Aha, Buyuk Aha. Buyuk. Kadya, Hardash. Aha, Hardash. Biz, Aha, Hardash. How would you say uncle? For example, to your father's brother, you should say MG. And to your mother's brother, you should say Dayı. MG, Dayı, uncle. The same goes to aunt. Tiziye, mother's sister. And Allah, you should say to father's sister. So, Tiziye, Allah. MG, Dayı, Tiziye, Allah. So guys, here I'm gonna finish the lesson. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments below. And see you soon. Көрüşкенше.